Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 3. Draw any line segment say AB. Take any point C lying in between A and B. Measure the lengths of AB, BC and AC. Is AB is equal to AC plus CB? Let us suppose take one line segment AB. This is AB, right? This point is A and this point is B. Suppose the measurement is 10 centimeter, right? If you take one point C, suppose at a distance of 4 centimeter, this is C and it is 4 centimeter. From here to here it is 4 centimeter, that is 4 centimeter. And here you see that is the rest of the line segment will be 10 minus 4 is equal to 6 centimeter. This will be actually it is 6 centimeter, right? Because the whole length of the line segment AB is equal to 10 centimeter. If we take AC, that is now is AB is equal to AC plus CB. Here if we write the measurement, here AB is equal to here AB is equal to 10 centimeter, AC is equal to 4 centimeter and CB is equal to 6 centimeter. Now here left hand side is equal to AB, and what is the value of AB? AB is equal to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Now if you find right hand side is equal to AC plus CB. AC plus CB. What is the value of AC? The value of AC is 4 centimeter, 4, and the value of CB is 6 centimeter. That is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, you can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, we can say that AB is equal to AC plus CB. AB equal to AC plus CB. Right? Now, there is a note that if ABC are 3 points on a line such that AC plus CB is equal to AB, then we can be sure that C lies between A and B. Let us take another example. For example, we have taken 3 points, that is A. One point I have taken here A point, here, and here point. Another point I have taken here B point. Another point is here, that is C point. Right? Now, if I draw a line passing through A, B, C, right? Suppose let us again draw another line here. Suppose I have drawn a line here, right? This point is A, this point is B, and this point is C, right? Now suppose C is equal to 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter and CB is equal to 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. And therefore AB is equal to 10 centimeter, right? The whole length of AB is equal to 10 centimeter, right? AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Now from the figure, we observe that AC plus CB is equal to AB. That is AC AC plus CB is equal to AB. Why? Because the value of AC is 3 centimeter and the value of CB is 7 centimeter. 3 plus 7 10 centimeter, and the value of AB is also 10 centimeter. Therefore, we can say that we can sure if this AC plus CB is equal to AB and C is the common point, then we can say that C lies between A and B. Therefore, we can say that C lies between A and B. C lies between A and B. Between A and B. This is the solution of question number 3.